Want to make some Brussels sprouts? Well, let's get our ingredients and get going. So there I have some Brussels sprouts soaking in some vinegar and salt water for about 15 minutes to get away any dirt, debris that may have formed into the Brussels sprouts, and I'm showing you how I cut them after they have been soaking. And then we're going to get into cooking our Brussels sprouts with corn. So the Brussels sprouts is a member of the cabbage family, and it is popular in Brussels Belgium, so hence it got its name, and it is good for cancer of the stomach. And there you see I'm showing you my onion, parsley, tomato, bell peppers, ginger, pimento seed, thyme, and tomatoes that we're going to be using to make our Brussels sprouts. And then I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, Creole seasoning, black pepper, and some unsalted butter and olive oil, as you can see there. So in this skillet I'm going to be adding all the herbs except my bell peppers. I usually leave that for last so that it gives it that nice crunchy flavor at the end. And you see I'm adding my garlic there again as well. So you know the Brussels sprouts is good for high blood pressure, cholesterol, and also diabetes. So try to include that in your diet, as well as the corn, which is loaded with fiber. I'm going to be using some sweet yellow corn. So once we get those in the skillet, we just want to saute them until they're tender and our onions get soft. You see I'm using red onion for this recipe. Most times I use the yellow one, but for this one I decided to use the red onion. And then after that has sauteed some, then I added my Brussels sprout and about a quarter teaspoon of the unsalted butter. And then I'm going to be using my onion powder, garlic powder, some ground cumin, some Italian seasoning as well. And you just use whatever spices you like to add to your food. I just choose to use these. And I forgot to show you how, but the corn is there that I mentioned earlier, the sweet corn. I just added some frozen corn to the mix, and then we just combine those. I put a little smoked paprika as well to give it that smoke flavor and some color. And once that gets going, I steam it for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how crunchy you want it. And then there you see I'm adding my bell peppers. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything, and leave a comment in the comment section to let me know where you're watching from, and if you like our videos, we truly appreciate it. Turn on that notification button so you do not miss anything. And so there I'm just sauteing it now once again, and you just cover and steam, and you can make it as soft as you like or as crunchy as you like. And we season ever so often. Once we add in each vegetable, we put our seasonings in. We thank you so much for watching. There is our finished meal. See you on the next one. Bye.